Hey guys, one of the most common questions that I get asked is how do you clean that clear view lid? Quite simply, there's a few things that you need to do. You need to keep it clean. After every cook, you want to clean it. I like to just wipe it down with water first and see how clean it gets it, especially while it's a little bit warm. And then if I need to, then I'll start doing either a window cleaner, or I can use the magic erasers. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. So we just cleaned the inside, but I haven't cleaned the lid yet. You can see there's a little smoke and residue. The last time that we cooked, I used my smoke box, and so it was nice and smoky inside of there. So first thing I'll do is I'll get some window cleaner and I'll just spray it on some paper towels. And we'll just kind of work it out like that. Okay, that's step one. You see some of that stuff is coming off. We'll also do the outside. See, that gets dirty too. So we'll do another spray on here. Do another spray on the towel. Go back inside. Pretty good. I could probably go a couple more times, but let's use the magic eraser. I just have some water on this one. And you can already see how much it's picking up, right? So that's just water with the magic eraser. Okay? Can you see that line, guys? There you have it, guys. There's your clean window. So just magic eraser, a little bit of water. Usually does the trick. If you need to, you can use a little bit of a window cleaner. And that's how I keep my clear view lid clean. Thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard. Thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard.